um, okay, what will be the mail us? Okay, I have told you this. Look here, I have made M and U small, but my whole website was capitalized by like this is then like I have this format of capitalizing, but I have missed sometimes somewhere. Okay, so how to say, how can we what I say, make it correct by doing only one single thing. I'll show you. Forget about everything. Okay, I will go here and in the reset section I will make something for all. What I will do for all, make text transform to be capitalized. Let me see now. Okay, so our mail us section has gotten become good, and everything has become good. You can see lorem, then I is also a capital letter, D is also capital letter. It depends on person's perspective how he want to show its his text. You can also show it by only keeping the first letter in capital and then the whole para small letters. But I usually like it because these are not just we are not reading books. Okay, so this is to show user clearly that what are the things here. Okay, so I prefer this, but you can also do that thing that you only capitalize L and then all the letters should be small. Okay, so it's on your hands, you can do anything you want. Okay, so yeah, where was I? Yeah, you can see mail us has become good now. So we'll go in HTML and make another section. I should make another section. Let me see it first. So there will be a section for form. Okay, I'll make a section for form. Let's write a class mail us, just mail us. Okay, so upper section was mail us section, this is only mail us. uh, okay, I have to make a form here. Form action, we don't know the action because we are not working backend. Okay, so I am just leaving it empty. Okay, I'm leaving it empty and just entering an input text. I have really I have a habit of making id in inputs. Okay, this will make my work easy when I work in JavaScript. Okay, this there is no work for this section in JavaScript, but I usually do it because when I do make websites like making library websites or making bookstores, then then this become very useful for me. If I get time to show you how to make a library website, I will also do the same. But now we just focus on this. Okay, so yeah, okay, so there is an id name, we should label it, label for name. Here will be name. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, have it has came here. Now I know we want this name to the upper side of this input. I'll do it. Okay, don't worry, I'll just copy it and control D, control D, control D. Yeah, now there is a problem. I have to give them, what should I give them? BR. Okay, I'm giving them a BR. Let me see now. Okay, this comes in a column. Okay, so we should need a margin here also because they are so sticky, right? They have become overlapped by one and each other. So we will make sure that this become also good. But what what the thing that we should do first, let me see. Okay, so there is a placeholder, so enter your name. We can add here a placeholder. Wait a second, we have to change